Nigerians are dissatisfied. There's so much distrust. There's so much that spirit of you are losing out. Sometimes nothing like that, but they just feel that it has been implanted in our subconscious. So it's a proper thing to now do and show them so that they see that it's not as bad as we think it is. And where we have cause to see anything, we will not waste time to let Nigerians know. So the information we're expecting from you will include all officers, including those, if any, who are supposed to have retired, who are still being retained as a contractor, like that, and they will tell us too why, if there are no other people to replace them. Because we know that in most agencies, they have things like that. Someone retires, you extend it. So if you have that, because you're going to call the public too, what we get from you, we put before the public and publish them so that the public will see and make their own comment. It's an open thing. So we want to have those information.
It's gone.
He has gone. So we won't take you. People should come back tomorrow. Yeah, we think that he should lead his team to this place tomorrow.